There was a recent study by the journal Pediatrics that found out there's over a 60% increase
Hmm.
in ER visits and hospital admission by kids for suicidal ideation. So it's to the point where it's not just depression, but it's actually getting to the point where kids are thinking about committing suicide.
During the holidays, this chance increases for children, especially teens, girls, and those who may abuse drugs or alcohol. These groups are more susceptible to depression because of awkward family interactions and a loss of time with friends over holiday break. It's important to keep an eye on your kids and watch for signs.
Is your child sleeping a lot less or a lot more than they used to? Are they eating a lot less or a lot more than they did in the past? Have they lost interest in hobbies or activities that they used to love doing?
One of the most obvious ways to see if this applies to your child is to be present. Be present frequently and have regular day to day conversations so it's not awkward or weird to ask about their mental health when you're worried they may be at risk.
You can't just sort of swoop in, one Tuesday afternoon and think your kids are going to open up to you because you've chosen that afternoon in your calendar to be there.
To create a trusting relationship, you can quite literally just sit in the same room with them and do different activities. Bring conversations up on a car ride or a different setting outside of home. It gives you and your child or teen some normalcy and routine. Spend time having conversations. This holiday season, take time out of your busy schedule and theirs to check in. Divorced parents and a family's financial stress compared to other friends during holidays can also cause depression. There's a lot you can do to lessen their anxiety.
If there's one gift you can give your child, especially if you're in a divorced household, it's to give them a pleasant environment over the holidays. So I would say, as a parent, whatever you can do to work things out with your co parent.
Also, limit social media to lessen comparisons to peers, especially if finances are an issue. Another really easy thing to do is get outside or get exercise. Endorphins are a huge boost to mental health. When it comes to family members, if they make your child feel awkward or uncomfortable, rethink who's coming to holiday gatherings. Tips to think about and embrace this holiday season.
But I think the most important thing is if you think your child has depression or significant anxiety, I would recommend seeking professional help.
When talking to your child, use open ended questions like, how are you feeling? How does it feel to be out of school? Are you feeling sad? These questions can help you understand if they are experiencing anxiety, depression, or isolation. An online emotion wheel can help with younger children, or contact your healthcare provider, school counselor, or therapist. Your presence is the best present you can give this holiday season. Reporting for KREX 5 News, Josephine Sage.